This video demonstrates how you can find any company's phone number and email using LinkFinder AI. It highlights how the tool helps you quickly access essential contact information from company names. Select the type for the input data, such as company name, company domain, email address, or LinkedIn company URL. Choose the input data type to specify what information you will provide for enrichment. Select the output data type you want to retrieve, like company website, phone number, LinkedIn URL, or email. Choose the desired output data type to define what information LinkFinder AI will provide. Click the field to enter the company name for which you want to find contact details. Enter the company name, for example, Tesla, to begin the data enrichment process. Click the Enrich Data button to initiate the search for the company's contact information. Click the company name field to input another company for enrichment. Complete the company name entry by typing Microsoft to specify the target company. Click Enrich Data to retrieve contact details for the specified company. Type Apple as the company name to find its contact information. Click Enrich Data to begin retrieving contact details for Apple. Enter Instantly as the company name to search for its contact data. Click the Profile Data Found notification showing company emails and contact information. Choose the output data type such as company website, phone number, LinkedIn URL, or email for the enrichment. Fill in the output data type to specify the information you want to receive. Type Microsoft to search for its contact details again. Click Enrich Data to fetch updated contact information for Microsoft. Click the Profile Data Found notification showing Microsoft's company phone number. Click the Upload CSV option to process multiple company records in bulk. Click Select File to choose the CSV file containing company data for enrichment. Click Process 3 items to start enriching the data from the uploaded CSV file. Click Export to download the enriched data for your records. Choose the output data type for the next enrichment batch. Click Select File to upload another CSV for bulk processing. Click Process 3 items to enrich the newly uploaded data. Click Export to save the enriched data externally. Click API Access to explore integration options with LinkFinder AI. Click View API Docs to review detailed API usage instructions. Click Company Enrichment to see API endpoints for company data retrieval. Click the Post Company Name to Phone endpoint to get company phone numbers via API. Click the curl command example showing how to call the company phone number API endpoint. Click the Post Company Name to Phone endpoint again to review phone number retrieval. Click the Post Company Name to Email endpoint to get company email addresses via API. Click the curl command example demonstrating how to call the company email API endpoint. Click the Post Company Name to Email endpoint again to review email address retrieval.